Morning all of you, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ms. Kanilba, teacher of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This class is for class 4. This is your SST period. Chapter number 2. Topic is Political Division of India. India became a free country on 15 August 1947. New Delhi is the capital of India. It is governed by the central government. The president, the prime minister and other ministers of the central government live here. For better running of the country, India is divided into smaller units called state and union territories. State and union territories. Neighboring countries. India share its boundary with neighboring countries Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar and Bhutan are the neighboring countries of India. Sri Lanka and Maldives are neighboring islands. Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east, China, Nepal and Bhutan are located to the north. Sri Lanka, Maldives are located to the south of India. SAARC is an association of Indian and its neighboring countries. It stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAARC works to promote peace, unity among these countries. Unity in diversity. India is a land of diversity. It is visible in different landforms. The climate also varies from one place to another. Some parts of the country are very hot, while some are extremely cool. There is a heavy rainfall at some places, whereas some places have little rainfall. People of India belong to different religions, tribes and races. They speak different languages, wear different clothes and eat different type of food. Despite these differences in the way of life, they can call themselves as Indian. Indian become a special country with all these diversities. Children, your homework is write the neighboring countries of India. Thank you, children.